To open a Wise account in Saudi Arabia, you will need to follow these steps. First, go to the Wise website and click on Sign Up. You will be prompted to enter your email address and create a password. Make sure your password is strong and unique to ensure the security of your account. Next, you will need to provide some personal information, including your name, date of birth, and address. You will also need to upload a valid government-issued ID, such as a passport or national ID card. This is a necessary step to verify your identity and comply with anti-money laundering regulations. Once you have completed the sign-up process, you will need to verify your email address. Check your inbox for an email from Wise and click on the verification link. This will activate your account and allow you to start using Wise to send and receive money internationally. To fund your Wise account, you can link a debit or credit card, or set up a bank transfer. Wise accepts payments from most major banks in Saudi Arabia, including Al Rajhi Bank, National Commercial Bank, and Saudi British Bank. You can also use your Wise account to receive payments from friends and family abroad. It is essential to note that Wise is a licensed and regulated financial institution, and your money is protected by strict security measures. Wise also offers competitive exchange rates and low fees, making it a cost-effective way to send and receive money internationally. In addition, Wise provides a borderless account, which allows you to hold and manage multiple currencies in one account. This can be useful if you need to receive payments in different currencies or if you want to send money to friends and family abroad. To get the most out of your Wise account, make sure to download the Wise mobile app, which allows you to track your transactions, monitor your account balance, and send money on the go. You can also use the app to set up account alerts and notifications, so you stay informed about any activity on your account. By following these steps and using Wise responsibly, you can enjoy a convenient, secure, and cost-effective way to manage your international finances. Wise is a trusted and reliable platform, and opening an account is a straightforward process that can be completed in just a few minutes.